In this video, I am going to show you how to do a factory reset on a B650 wristwatch. So currently I have some buttons programmed to this watch. Okay, so if I want to take off everything that's been programmed to this watch in one go, I will go to function, hold down the fun button, and you will go to select and change this to a 9. On function 9, you press enter. And now you have to change this to zeros. So you just use the select key until it shows 0000, and you will press enter. It will count down to 9. Once it makes that beeping noise, you know it has been reset, and you just exit the settings screen by pressing function twice. And if you now press the buttons, it will not ring on the watch anymore. That is how you do a factory reset on the B650 wristwatch. Thank you very much for watching.